Okay, so here's a demo of how the things are working. So firstly, we are going to launch an Express server so we can replicate how the browser is used to. And if you can see, the first thing it will do is this function getAds from page ID. And here we can take the user input of page ID. I've already hard coded it. So in this function, if you will see, this first page will let us go to this URL. So this URL is will do it will give us a session ID. By using the session ID, we can further fetch and request the URL we want. So here in this function, we'll fetch the session ID and we'll set the session ID. And in further, when you can see in here, we are going to evaluate the next page. The next page will be this URL with all the required headers and referral policy. So it will just do the same as how we used to do in browser, because if we directly go to that URL, the Facebook ads library will block us. So to replicate the effect how the browser will do, we are going to add some headers and referral policy and some body. So here you can see we already have a session ID which will help us to not get blocked. So after using this, currently I'm not using the proxy server. So if you can see in here, there must be in utility. No, yeah. So if we see the setup of Pupeeteer, we can see we can just use the proxy server and just authenticate with the username and password. I can show you further how can use the proxy server, but for now I'm not using an proxy server because it is working fine with my IP address. And next thing, the demo. So I have already installed everything, the Puppeteer and all the requirements. So it's a script which I have added in package.json file. So currently we can what we can do is automate this stuff. I have not got the time to automate this stuff, so I am just giving it the input. So as you can see, it has got us to the better me, and all the files are saved. So you can see the new desired.json. uh, it might be here. Let me see once again. Okay, so I was opening the wrong file. I just saw that. And if we just prettify it, you can see that these are the results. I have decreased the number of results to 30, but we can fetch as much result as we want. So that's it. Let me know if you have any doubt or need any help to integrate it with the extension. So thanks.